It is the day of, we're having our anniversary weekend and I'm feeling good. Just brushed my teeth. I'm wearing this glamorous robe because I have this cute outfit and I don't want to get anything on it, but I want to look glamorous while I'm putting on makeup and doing a little bit of skincare. I don't know why it's like, why is it going all the way to the even side? Anyway, okay, I don't know why it's, look at McQueen. I love McQueen. Okay, anyway, so check it out. Doing some skincare. I got my outfit. I'll show that to you in a minute. Got this awesome cold cream mask that I'm using. And you know I still love my Jergens, but what I love is just, it just smells so darn good. It's this stuff. The Jergens, I mean not Jergens, Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day, Night, and Mask. Oh, it smells really good. And then I'll probably, after I take the mask off, I'm going to use this guy also. And this is the Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist made with rose water. It smells really good, just like this other stuff does. So my goal is to have, I don't want to go too crazy with the makeup because I really want to make dinner. We're going to try to meet our friends. Hopefully they'll still be able to make it. But in the meantime, got to get the skin looking beautiful before I put on any makeup, because when you have older skin, you got a lot of dry flakes you got to deal with, which is why I have a little bit up here. Also redness, because I just did the lip scrub. Oh yeah, let me tell you what I did. So right now, first thing I did is I did the put that stuff on my face. Then I used my e.l.f. scrubber. You know how this is. This is the, what do they call it? It's just the clear, but you know, it's the lip scrub. Love this stuff. And I went over it with a dollar store lip stuff. It's kind of like a dupe for the Carmex. Went over it with this guy. Went over the lips like that, and then I just rubbed it all off on this towel. I prefer to use a damp towel, but I didn't have that. So anyway, I just went over really good. Then I went over, after I wiped it all off, I put some more of this stuff on. Put some more stuff on the lips. And then I put a little bit of the mask stuff on the up here, because when I do that, I get a lot of redness above my lip. I don't know if anybody else gets that. So now I'm going to figure out what makeup I'm going to wear. And I don't know why I'm still like, why is it? Okay, like that. See how it's like off to the side? I don't know why it's like that. Guys. Hello. There's a thing on my thing. Oh, go off. Get out of there. There's a hair, probably Maggie's hair. Okay. Hello. Okay, so what I just did is I did the cold cream mask with the rose thing. And then I took a damp cloth and I just kind of lightly removed it. I still feel a little bit of niceness there. And then actually what I decided to do to try to get rid of any extra skin flakes, I went over with a baby wipe and just kind of like did everything there, and it came out good. Then I added a little bit of alcohol for here, the chin, and this area to remove any hair, because that flawless hair thingy you're supposed to, I just realized that I got to move this back a little bit. But anyway, that's why I got distracted. But you're supposed to not have any greasy skin. So that's why I had to do that. So let me see. Can I move you back here? Oh, don't leave me. Okay, good enough. All right, so today, I think I'm going to do a little bit here. Like I said, I don't want to go all out because I really want to get out before midnight. You know how long it takes to do makeup. And I decided the reason why it takes so long is because doing the eyes take forever. So I can't afford that. So I think what I'm going to do is, oh yes, I want to do a you know, honestly, I don't even know if this does anything, seriously, but anyway, I'm going to do it anyway. So I'm going to put some professional grease degreaser first, and then I think I'm gonna go over, oh yeah, and then I'm gonna use this. I love this stuff. It's so awesome. The Physicians Formula Rosé All Day. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So we're starting with the foundation. Actually, I think I'm gonna do eyes, under eyes, and then foundation. Yeah, and then eyes. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Yeah. Okay. I really love this Rosé All Day. I got my mirror right here, so that's why it's a little awkward. But oh man, it's just smells so good. And I think it's for oily skin, so I'm not even going to do the Benefit. I'm just going to add this here. Really love this. Seriously, you got to get this stuff if you have oily skin. I don't like it, so I'm going to go in with my erase paste because I like that it's a little bit more orange. This is a little bit too light. One thing I will try is I'm going to let this set for a little bit. But I am going to try to do something that James Charles does, and I think it's a really good idea because I have very oily skin. So I'm going to go over my nose with this concealer. It's a little bit darker since I'm tanning, so that's what my gorgeous tan is from. It's not just because I'm born. I woke up like that. Some people look gorgeous, think I look gorgeous by myself, but you know.
Hey, if I'm on the camera, hello.
Hi.
I'm getting permission to grind the dog food, so if you don't want to record now.
Oh, yeah.
The dog. It's
Okay.
4:15.
Almost done. No, not really. It's kind of weird. I'm going to concealer under and see what happens. My dog's food, getting his food. Need a little extra blending, so I'm actually going to take this brush out, see what happens. Feels good, because I feel like I have too much. Setting my makeup. I got to deal with that little spot there. Setting my makeup with the Ulta Double Duty Wet and Dry Foundation Press Powder in Warm. I'm going to mix it to make my face all glowy. I'm going to mix the golden elf thing. You know how it's like pretty? So I'm going to mix them together, see how that goes. So I don't want to be too glowy. Eyes next. So what am I doing? I am putting this guy, using this guy with this highlighter. I'm going to use this highlighter as an eyeshadow and put this like kind of like by the lash line. Hopefully my eyes won't betray me because I do have very, very oily, I mean not oily, but very sensitive eyes. So we'll see how that goes. Cross our fingers. Not take the chance because I could feel my eyes going, no, you can't do under there, no. Alright, I don't have a lot of time, but I did some blush, I did some highlighter. I combined the blush, I combined this Wet n Wild with this guy, Makeup Revolution. It's a shimmery blush, and I just kind of focused the color here and then the highlighter sort of up there. So I might even add a little bit more because more is more in my book. Now I'm going to do my lippies. My lippy, the Butter Gloss, NYX Butter Gloss, NYX Pink Eye Pencil, and then I'm topping it with this Jordana Bluish because of my, you'll see why. Okay, good enough for government work. Oh, gotta do my brows. Hello. Okay, you're gonna. Hi. We're sitting at this place called When in Rome. 18th anniversary dinner.
Look at the outfit. Beautiful.
Check out my outfit. Let's see if I can do this.
Gotta show the shoes.
Gotta show the shoes. These are Miu Miu.
Miu Miu shoes. Beautiful.